Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making sure VLC on Android is updated and that you have a reliable playback test file. Open the video in VLC and use headphones or the phone speaker to detect delay. This gives you a baseline. Once done, tap the screen, go to the three-dot menu, and choose Audio. This begins the adjustment path. Make sure to note whether sound lags behind or ahead. That direction determines the sign of the correction you will apply. Now you adjust the audio delay. Open Audio, then Audio Delay. VLC lets you change in milliseconds. Press the plus or minus buttons while the video plays and watch the mouth movements. Making small changes is faster and safer than big jumps. Because audio leads or lags, apply negative values when sound is early and positive when it's late. Make sure to test several points in the video, since live scenes can reveal different offsets. Finish by saving what works. Note the delay value, and if desired, set it as default for similar files. If problems persist, clear VLC cache, reboot the device, and test another media player to rule out file corruption. Make sure Bluetooth or external audio isn't introducing variable delay. Switch to wired headphones to verify. One key troubleshooting tip. If delay varies between files but VLC adjustments don't help, re-encode the file or check the source. Inconsistent timestamps often require remuxing rather than player tweaks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.